Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're out here at Triple H RV in Haleyville, Alabama. I have something new from the Forest River Puma. It is their new tracks. So we're going to take a look at this one. I think you're going to like it. So let's get started. This is a 2026 Forest River Puma tracks, model number 3300FLBS. So let's get started. The length on this tracks is 36 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 7,693 with a hitch weight of 1,015. GVWR of 9,643. All right, so we're going to kind of walk around just quick out here and take a look at this new tracks. This is my first time looking at this, and yes, Amanda is not with me. Now, if you're just seeing this video, our son took her to Scotland for a whole week, and I guess that was her early Mother's Day gift. So, all right, so best of luck for them and safe travels. So we're going to start right up here at the, well, you can see, as always, your power ton jack, your bottles, your battery, all of that's up front. And your pass-through storage. As you can see, you've got a solar controller, battery disconnect. You do have a light in here. Not the biggest, but you got a little, if I can get over here, a little shelf area right up here. Wow, it's not bad. All right, our first slide is a rack and pinion slide. As we're going on down, your second slide is also a rack and pinion. Nice looking graphics on these tracks. Tankless water heater and your freshwater city water connection all right there. 50 amp camper. And your dump station right there. Very convenient. You have a spot here. As you can see, here's your griddle set up. Nice little storage right here. Here's another dump area. Your gray tank, another sewer outlet right back here. Black tank flush right there on the back. You do have a spare. You are prepped for the Lippert ladder and the backup camera. As we're coming around the campsite, your awning is a 21-foot awning. And as we're looking, you do have electric stabilizers with this, and your propane quick connect right there. You have a spot for an outside TV, your cable plug in, and their Asdale sidewalls. And let's take a look at this. Let's see, another rack and pinion slide. And one more look here at this pass-through storage. Got a light. There was a light on the other side. I don't think it was on. And the front end got those blue lights. Wow. All right, let's take a look at this tracks. I think you're gonna like this because I first walked in and went, well, this is really, really cool. As we step in, and let's take a look. Grab the door, spin us around here. Ooh, goodness gracious. Right off the bat, 65-inch TV, fireplace. Look at this. Just quick show this again. Wow. All right, let's take a look at this storage up front. Huge drawer. Little spot right there. Sound system, HDMIs, another big drawer right here, and another spot there. TV is on a swivel. There you go, Don. Don got on to me, said I did not swivel the TV in one of the other ones, so there you go. All right, well, let's look at this dining here. I like this setup. Huge window over the campsite. This does not make into a bed, but that's okay. That's okay, we got you covered. Plug in down below, and if I can lift this up, you do have storage up under here. Wow, really, really cool. All right, spin you around ever so slowly. You do have this nice sectional here. And like I said, that does not make into a bed, but this will extend out. Another huge window, blackout shades, the power right there, cup holders on this side. I've got a little storage right there for your remotes. Take a look at this. Got another window here on your campsite. Got a little storage up here. It's not bad, not bad. We can put a little something in that. Moving into the kitchen. It is not solid surface, but it's really cool stuff, I'm telling you. It's not your everyday wrap, that's for sure. Nice stainless steel sink. We've got a little storage up here. Of course, your small microwave. Hood range. 2-burner cooktop with a oven. Now this back here, that's right. If I can get it off the wall, it is a cutting board. Yes. Really cool. And also for your sink. Yes. So really nice that Puma actually gave you a designated spot to put that. Because we have one that I made. Well, it kind of goes everywhere. Usually it winds up behind the couch. 12-volt fridge and freezer. Nice. And your air conditioner controllers right there, your tankless water heater control, and this little area right here. Let's go ahead and open these drawers. Oh, wow. Nice drawers. Nice little spot here for a coffee maker or such. You do have a light up under here. And there's your paper towel holder. Little cabinet here at the top. Along with your control panel is over here. And yes, pull out pantry right there. Really, really nice. Your heating vents. Heating vents are down in the floor, and also, if I did not show them, there's your heating vents right down there under your fireplace. Now, take a look here at the ceiling. They do give you a vent right here, and yes, you can put the third air conditioner on here. And we do have a air conditioner right here in the kitchen. It is the GE profile. All right, as we're going into the bedroom, your second AC GE profile. You do have a 70 by 80 king size bed. You've got storage. Let's see if we can get around and open some storage. Yes. You do blackout shades. You do have this little trough, I call it, and with USB, and you've got lights under here. All right, let's see if we can lift up the bed. Kind of hard to do one-handed. There we go. You have some storage under the bed. Okay, and over here, you've got these little hanging storage right here. Pull out drawer. Blackout shade, TV will go right there on the wall in between here. And we do have the same thing on this side. Heat and vent, there it is. And we've got 4 drawers down here. 2 on this side. Got a little spot there for a little storage. And 2 more over here. Nice. Got power, USB-C right there. All right. Cool. I think we're ready to see the bathroom. All right, in the bathroom. Wow. Nice bathroom. Double vanities. There's your power. Mirrored medicine cabinet on this side. You've got some linen storage right here in the middle. And another mirrored medicine cabinet over here. Little window back here in the back. And that's not all. We've got some linen storage over here. Ooh, nice. A 30 by 48 shower. No problem for me to stand up in here. And I'm spinning around. We've got cabinets here on each side. Just like that. And we are prepped for a combo unit under here. Cool. We are affiliates with Liquefied, and yes, porcelain toilet, so this one does get the golden plunger. And for 20% off on your Liquefied order, check out the description in this video and we will get that to you. All right, everybody. Let me know how you like this Puma tracks. It's the first time I'm seeing this. It's a really, really cool floor plan with this front living room. Wow. All right, everybody. Dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.